Hello guys, this is Bluayado channel. I'm just continuing my monthly investment, cryptocurrency, and a mortgage pay down / savings update. So for all you guys who know, I was trying to figure out ways to pay down my mortgage, and I was looking at an extra $100 or refinancing or whatever I can do. So now that I decided to move some money from savings because savings account are making like no interest at all, and I put it mostly in investing, which I did a video earlier where I took out 12,000 out of my savings account, almost 12. I didn't really spend 12, maybe like 11,000 something, and I invested in four stocks that pay me passive income of $200 a month. So I'm going to take that money plus the money that I figured out I can use because I am working from home. So I'm not paying for transportation. So I'm not paying for transportation into work. So I'm using that money plus the passive income money, and I'm trying to figure out how I can shorten my time on my 30-year mortgage. So I went to a payoff calculator. Before, I was doing lower numbers because I didn't have all these different income sources, which became available now because I decided to move some money from savings and invest it, which creates money for me. And then also, again, I was telling you guys, you're saving money if you were working from home for the last couple of months because of this pandemic, and you should reroute that into lowering your bills somehow. So now I'm on a 10-year plan for finishing paying down my mortgage on a condo. So this is my overall amount of the loan that I took out. It's 102.9. I put down a hefty down payment because obviously I didn't want to pay PMI because I think that's a waste of money, and I wanted my mortgage payment as low as I possibly can get it at that point in time when I was buying the house. It's a condo, so I'm saying house. So these numbers will not be the same if you have a house in New York. And I do not live in the city. I live in the suburbs. So again, i.e. why the price is so low. So outstanding as of now, I have this out here. My loan was 30 years. This was my rate, and I only been here 4 years, so I have still 26 years to go. But how can I pay it off in 10 years? So how do I reach my goal? I have to up my payment for just the principal and interest. This does not include taxes, insurance, maintenance, because I live in a condo. This is just plainly my principal and interest, which is what it is, 514. It's about 26. Now they say for me to finish this payment in 10 years instead of the 26 years that I have left on my mortgage, I have to up the payment by $439.86 a month. Okay. Now, like I said, now that I have the $200 of passive income and I'm currently not paying for transportation because I'm working from home, I could send this amount of money extra every month. And this overall is going to save me plenty of interest and plenty of years. It's literally going to save me 16 years from this date right now if I send $439. But this is just something to think about, guys. How do you get there? How do you get to be able to put the extra payments on? Like I said, my 12 grand was just sitting in my account doing point whatever percent interest, which was definitely not paying out $200 a month as I invested in the stock market. It's just always something to think about, guys. Again, stock market is risky, but in compared to, I don't even know what I would have made in a savings account on, I have no idea what I would have made. I would have made on a savings account, because it's like I never see whatever interest they put on this money, compared to, I know that so far I made about 3 months of $200 a month. So, I mean, take it how it goes. We'll see. So this is how I got it. If I end up going back into the office, I know I still could put the 200 there. So maybe it won't be 10 years, maybe it'll be like 13 years. But I do have a definite source of adding an extra $200 a month to my mortgage payment, and therefore shaving off some years off of this. Okay. And that's all I did. It's just, some ideas, guys. And that is my investment updates for the month. I talked about stock market, dividend investing for passive income. I talked about cryptocurrency. Chainlink is my altcoin that I'm banking on. And I'm talking about lowering and paying off your mortgage early. And now I'm going to go back to manga, which I love. And the rest of my updates are going to be about manga. Anyway, this is Bluayado channel, guys. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.